Okay, I'm a really terrible sister and I'm so sorry because I always forget to record this at the start, so I have to record it later on and all the stuff's already happened. But anyways, dear Rory? Wow. It's sunny outside, but I think it's cold. So I'm kind of like layered up and got a beanie, but I've got sunnies on. This looks really weird. But Rory, I would like you to meet Aunty Cathy's little puppy, Fudge. Hello, Fudge. Hello. I'm taking Fudge for a walk. I'm not taking this. Okay, so basically, I'm taking this little one for a walk. Ooh. Okay, so I'm taking Fudge for a walk. I don't know how I'm gonna, you can't see me because it's dark. I don't know how I'm gonna carry everything because I've got a backup ball so that she drops that ball when you really need her to. Got the lead. And I've also got the thing that I need to throw the ball with. And then I've got this. You know what, we'll struggle through it. I think it's about 12 degrees today, but it's hot. I regret the beanie, it's so hot. It's a nice day, it's just very windy. I don't have my mic on, so I don't have like the wind. Oh, if you can hear a lot of wind, I'm sorry. I apologise. I got a new camera lens as well. That's the main reason I wanted to do this, because look, it's more like fisheye, so it's like really wide angled. And I got a new tripod as well, so that's really cool. Actually out of breath. I've barely walked. I'm out of breath, Fudge is out of breath. Should we just go home? No, okay. As I was saying before when I was out, I don't know if you could hear me because of the wind, I got a wide angle lens so that I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, Prince. I also got a new tripod which I've been using, and I can't be bothered showing you right now because it would involve like taking the camera off it and then showing it to you, and then yeah. Anyways, I've got about 4 hours before Mum comes to pick me up, so I've got 4 hours to be in Aunty Cath's house, wreck the place, have fun with Fudge, and then go home and act like I didn't do anything. I'm kidding, Aunty Cath, if you're watching this, I'm not gonna wreck your house, I promise. I like your house, it's lovely, and I'm not gonna mess it up. Like, oh, I'm sorry. She is so cute. Oh my god, Rory. This is, it's because you can't meet her because you're in Australia and I'm in Scotland. This is your way of meeting Fudge. She's adorable. Aren't you so cute? You're the cutest. You're the cute. Okay, that wasn't cute. Get out of my vlog. Love you very much, ladies. See you later. Bye.